Hello everybody, today at Bob's Watches we're introducing a pre-owned Rolex Sky-Dweller 326934. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2012 or later. The characteristics include a stainless steel bracelet with a folding Oysterlock clasp and has a 5mm comfort extension link. The dial is black with luminescent index hour markers with the date, month, and a GMT second time zone. This watch has a dual time zone and an inner reflector ring engraved with the serial number, and has a 42mm Oyster steel case with an 18-karat white gold fluted bezel, and contains an automatic 9001 movement. This Sky-Dweller comes with a Rolex box, booklets, hangtags, wallet, and a Rolex warranty card dated August 2018. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 326934 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.